For me, the praise the demands of society from teacher as a person means that people expect more from teachers than just teaching lessons. Just uh, a teacher is seen as a role model who must show honesty, respect, patience, and discipline. Society looks at the teacher's life not only inside the classroom but also outside and expect them to live by the values they teach. I realized from the video that a teacher's character is as important as their knowledge. Students learn not only from what a teacher say but also from how they and act treat others. That is why society demands teacher to compassionate, approachable, fair, and understanding. These qualities make teacher effective because students feel guided, respected, and inspired. In the end, I see these demands not as a burden but as a responsibility and calling. Teachers have the power to influence lives and help shape a better society. By showing good values and living with integrity, teachers answer the demands of society and leave a lasting mark on their student hearts and future.